The iQOO 15 will be launched in India on November 26. The smartphone will be available in 4 colors, including a model with a color-changing back cover, with white, green, black color, while the back cover sports a squircle-shaped camera island housing 3 cameras and an LED flash, with a 50MP Sony IMX921 primary 1/1.56-inch sensor, 50MP ultra-wide camera, 50MP Sony IMX882 Periscope telephoto, 3x optical zoom and 6x lossless zoom with 100x digital zoom. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The phone will also have a Q3 gaming chip, likely to be paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage. The iQOO 15 sports a 6.85-inch Samsung M14 AMOLED LTPO display that offers a 2K resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, up to 2600 nits peak brightness, HDR10 Plus support, and an underscreen ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The phone could also ship with a massive 7000 mAh battery and introduce an 8K vapor chamber cooling system for enhanced thermal performance, with 100W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.